In front of us we have the Galaxy Watch 3, and today we'll be replacing the battery on it. To do so, let's go ahead and flip over the device. Alright, take some alcohol and cotton swab, let's add it to the four corners. It's just going to allow any sort of debris that's around the screw to help the screw out better. Now we're going to grab our wide 2mm screwdriver, pull out the four screws. Alright, now we can grab our pry tool. I made a slight bend to mine to bend downwards a bit. This way, when we go ahead and pry, it's gonna go underneath the seal and not tear through the seal. So here we go. And just pry up a little. There we go. Alright. Now I've got this connector for the heart rate sensor. We'll go ahead and disconnect that. Next, we're gonna have to pull out the motherboard. We got 3 connections that we will disconnect here. We got 1 screw here. We got to the battery here. We're going to go ahead off to the side with our plastic spudger here and pry up the battery. There we go. Now we're going to go underneath the ribbon here. Alright, so that's the battery there. We're going to get our replacement battery. Next, we're going to put the motherboard back in. So we got 2 tabs over here on the side that'll help you guide in your alignment. Then just hold it down and we'll put the screw back in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and make all the connections back up to the motherboard. Alright, the last step would be to put the back housing back on. Make sure that the bezel around here, wherever the gasket will sit on, is clean, both the gasket and where it sits, so you're going to make a solid seal. We're going to go ahead and make the heart rate connection here. Set that down. All we got left is to put the 4 screws back in for the back cover. Alright, now that we've got the back cover replaced, do a quick test. So it seems like the battery is dead. We'll go ahead and put it on a charger.